दिल्ली 43 डिग्री सेल्सियस। इस शहर को ये हुआ क्या? कहीं धुआं है, कहीं धूल, लेकिन इससे बचा कैसे जाए?
It stopped working as expected. काश ये फैन भी मेरे फैंस की तरह लॉयल होता, पर नहीं है। ना मोस्टली जो हैंड फैंस मिलते हैं वो नो नेम प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं, एंड बाइंग अ नो नेम गैजेट इज नॉट रेकमेंडेड। आई मीन, चल गया तो मिरेकल, नहीं चला तो वेलकम टू स्वेटी सीजन। I got these compact hand fans to try, and this brand has an interesting lineup. We'll talk about the brand later, but first let's have a public reaction on these compact hand fans. और शायद इसी सिलसिले में मुझे मेरे फैंस भी मिल जाए। What do you think this is?
It's a fan.
Yeah. And have you ever seen a fan like this?
Yeah, but not with this quality.
Yeah, increase the speed. मस्त है सर?
मस्त है।
You can be honest about what you're...
आंधी आई थी ना थोड़े दिन पहले, ऐसी थी ना?
What do you think this is that I'm wearing?
This is Bluetooth earphones.
Bluetooth headphones, you think? They look quite cool, right? Futuristic.
This is very cool. I
Yeah?
think, yeah.
But you know, there's this speed thing here. So if I increase it, then you can hear what happens, right? Basically, this is a fan.
Oh.
Do you think it's cool?
This is very cool.
Show you this product. What do you think this is?
Something, a tripod.
Yeah, it has a tripod for
Yeah,
sure. It has a
yeah.
stand,
Yeah.
but it does something. So it's a fan. It's a portable fan that you can keep on desk.
Oh.
Yeah.
It looks really cool and it's really futuristic.
What do you think this is?
I think this is a hair dryer maybe. Looks like one.
Okay.
Very-
Actually, it's a fan. It's a portable hand fan.
Yeah. Oh, very nice.
Yeah. Let me switch it on for you,
Okay.
and then you see what the throw is like.
Oh my god.
What do you think?
Yeah, this is nice.
What do you think this is?
I think it's a fan.
Okay. And have you seen a fan like this before?
I saw, but not like that. I mean, it's little tiny.
Yeah. What do you think this is?
This look like a headphone, Bluetooth headphone.
Yeah, it does, right? But it looks quite techy and modern, right?
Yeah, maybe it is loaded with features.
Yeah. Can you hold my mic for a
Yeah.
second? And I'm supposed to wear it like this. What do you think this is now?
A neckband.
So it's a fan.
Oh,
Yeah.
Great.
It comes with a speed control as well.
okay.
Yeah.
So it's a personal fan.
Yes, it's a personal fan. नॉर्थ इंडिया में हर दिन गर्मी बढ़ती जा रही है। दिल्ली एनसीआर की बात करूं तो टेम्परेचर इजीली 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस से ऊपर चला जाता है। ऐसे में इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपके पास एक ऐसा हैंड फैन हो जो पावरफुल हो और साथ ही साथ स्टर्डी बिल्ड का भी हो। एंड इट बिकम्स वेरी क्रूशियल स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट। गोइंग बैक इन टाइम, हैंड फैंस की हिस्ट्री काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है। पहले के ज़माने में ये फ़ैन सिर्फ नेसेसिटी नहीं, एक फैशन स्टेटमेंट भी होते थे। जापान और चाइना में तो हैंड फैंस काफ़ी टाइम तक कल्चरल आइकॉन्स बने रहे। वी कैन स्टिल सी देम इन द हिस्ट्री वेरी क्लियरली। और यूरोप में भी रॉयल फैमिलीज और सेलिब्रिटीज़ ने इन्हें अपना एक्सेसरी बना लिया था टू पेयर अप विद देयर लग्जरी अटायर्स। इवन टुडे रियाना, बियॉन्से जैसे सेलिब्रिटीज़ भी रेड कार्पेट पर ऐसे फैंस कैरी करते हुए दिखते हैं, विच एड्स स्टाइल टू देयर ओवरऑल लुक। Coming back to the brand, my first impressions would be heavily based on the build quality. They're built quite well, and the buttons and switches on the fan are quite tactile, and the throw is very powerful. But I won't recommend you using these in public places as they can get a little noisy, and that can bother others. Now coming to the neckbands, the look and feel is very futuristic. If you're riding a bike, they're going to be very useful. Lastly comes their portable fans. ये आपके desk के लिए हैं perfect. Material used in these products is quite good, and also the plastic feels sturdy. And when it comes to the pricing, they do not sell it on any online platform, but they have their official website and worldwide shipping is available. Now they also have 1-year warranty on these fans, which is a huge plus since there are not many options in the market. So definitely something that is a no-brainer in these summers. मैं सोच रहा हूँ आज गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है, एक मेरे लिए भी मंगवा देना ब्रांड से।